Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a low mileage 2014 GMC Terrain SLE. Stock number Z7647A. 22,000 miles on this one owner. Local trade. Clean auto check history report. We sold this Terrain brand new. Quicksilver metallic in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 5-year 100,000 mile powertrain warranty. It's a very safe vehicle as well. 5-star front and side government crash rating. Seats 5 with a cloth interior. Not only low miles, but very clean inside and out. Split seat. Folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera. Hitch and wiring. Lots of cargo space in the rear, with additional storage cubbies on both sides, as well as power outlet. This Terrain is free of dents or dings. This SLE has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, upgraded Pioneer sound system, power driver's seat, lower the tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Ages, again, only 22,000 miles with driver information system, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls so you can keep your hands on the wheel, large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones, Pandora, and Stitcher radio apps. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for radio, heating and air conditioning, along with heated front seats. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability, as well as economy mode. Lots of storage space in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those mobile media devices. And a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Terrain has a 2.4 liter, 4-cylinder, 182 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. Excellent fuel economy, EPA average of 22 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 32 on the highway, and approximately 50% of tire tread left. For more information on this Terrain, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.